You're gonna be the first one in your family to hit $1 million. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Richie and I'm here to show you guys how to improve your income, how to invest your money in 2022 or a long term. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about like the best investment you guys can do right now. If you 18, 28, 30, 40, whatever your age right now, I'm gonna tell you guys what's the best investment you guys can do and retire early than you expected. So before I get into this video, I wanted to share this with you guys, and I want you guys to let me know if you guys are interested in this program or anything. So YouTube recommended me to do like a membership. It's a membership so I can help my community and my community can help me. It's just a way for you guys to show me your appreciation, or it's another way for me to teach you guys in one-on-one. So in this membership program, it's only gonna be $1.99, because I don't want to put it high. So I want everybody who wants to get in the program. What you're gonna have my personal number, you're gonna have my email address, and we're gonna do like a membership live. So you guys gonna choose the day. It could be either on Friday or on the weekend, so we can deal with that. So if you guys are interested, let me know down below. So I'll be on live to answer everyone's question and help you guys step by step to open your account. Or if you have any other question regarding finance, I'll be more than happy to help you. What you guys gonna do is just comment down below, what do you guys think about it? Let me get into this topic. If you start selling on Amazon, right, I'm sure by now you start making profit, or maybe the money you're making you reinvest it into the Amazon business. So what I want you guys to do right now is, if you make like $100 or $1,000 in profit every month on Amazon, or either you working at a 9-to-5 job, I want you guys to save at least like $200 or $500. I'm gonna show you guys how to invest those $500 or the $100 so you can retire early. So you don't have to wait on the government, especially if you're in the US. So you don't have to wait on the government to give you like those social security pay. You can retire early. If for example you're not doing either Amazon, or you're not working at a 9-to-5 job, I'm gonna share with you guys 2 apps that you guys can work if you have a car, that you guys can work by yourself on your own schedule to make like $1,000 a week or $500 a week, at least for you to save like $1,000 to put in this project. It's just like this $1,000, you're gonna take it and you're gonna forget about it. That's what I want you guys to do. It's easy to make like $1,000 a week. Sometimes everything is slowing down, so I understand, but at least you can make like $300 to $400 a week with Instacart. Especially on the weekend, it's usually like more busy. So on the weekend you can easily make $300, and during the week you can make like $300 to $500. It's easy to make like almost $1,000 with Instacart a week. And the second app is Shipped. You can also make the same amount of money. Shipped is the same thing. It's a grocery delivery app. The only thing you need to do is to go and install the app, apply to become a Shipt shopper or an Instacart shopper. It's 2 different grocery delivery, but it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is just like Instacart show you the tape beforehand, tape afterhand. The way you can make like $1,000 even if you work a 9-to-5 job with Shipt. That's the thing I like about Shipt. You can collect multiple orders at the same time. Let's say there is like 10 orders for Target. As long as they have like a different time frame delivery, you can collect them and shop them at the same time. They're not gonna tell you not to shop them at the same time. So you basically can make like $100 with Shipt before tip. like a day. That's 2 hours. I think that's the best. Or maybe you can do Uber Eats delivery or anything else, but that's the 2 app I tried and I like them so far. And even though it's kind of like slow sometimes, if I want to make an extra money, I don't take the Amazon money and get it into my investment, because I want to grow my Amazon business and whatever. So I work in those apps like for a while, like maybe a week or 2 weeks. So I do work on those apps so I can get the money. It's take $1,000. I want you guys to save like $1,000 every month. Some of you gonna be like, it's difficult because you have bills, you have things. Yes, I do. I know you have bills, and I know everything is getting expensive. But if you want to retire early and you want to become a millionaire, by now, if you're 24, right, let me show you, let me calculate this for you guys. So in this app, this thing is called the Roth IRA. What's this thing do is like, you invest your money and they invest in those big companies because their stock is really expensive. So they're gonna invest in Apple, Microsoft, whatever. They're gonna invest those $1,000 for you. So let's see, right? If you invest $1,000 at 24 and the annual contribution is $5,000, by the time you reach 65 years old, you will have $1,164. This, you will never retire with that kind of money working a 9-to-5 job. Never. So let's say you invest like $200, right? $200 a week with the annual return, which is 7%. It could be more, it could be more. So with the annual contribution, right, invest $200 monthly. By at age 24, you start at 24. By the time you're 65, you have $1 million. This is no game, guys. It's no game. So let's say you invest more money, more than like $200 or $300, so you know you're gonna make more money. So if you want to retire early, or if you want to make more money, or if you want to retire before 65 or 50, whatever, you invest more money. In this account, you can do it for your kids, for you and your family. That's one of the smart things to invest. It's not a cryptocurrency that you're gonna leave it for a long time. You're not gonna know if this crypto gonna be a good crypto. It's gonna be the next Bitcoin. This one is not crypto. It's an investment company. Like those rich people, what they do is they borrow money from the bank, they invest in those big companies and make money. That's how they become rich. They don't use their money to become rich. So for you, if you don't have those kind of credit, you don't have those type of things, so I'm sure you guys can save like $200 instead of saving it on your bank account. So like when you save this money on your bank account, what's the bank gonna do? They're gonna borrow those money to their customer. They're gonna charge them like 2%, 15%, whatever the percentage they're gonna charge them. Then they're gonna make money off of you. Okay? Instead of making the bank rich, make yourself rich. Alright guys, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoying this video, or you guys understand what I'm saying. I'm gonna put the calculator right here, how you guys can calculate and how you guys can invest. And some account they want you to start with $3,000. Some of their account you don't have like you don't have a minimum on how much you can start. So I'm gonna put a screenshot here, and I'm gonna put all the information in the description below so you guys can check it out. So be smart. The young generation, we want to be rich. Yes, we want to be rich. We're gonna be rich. I manifested, and I manifested over you guys watching this video. You're gonna be rich. Either you're gonna be the first one in your family to hit $1 million. I manifest this on you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys, and I'll see you